Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. This is Craving Summer Vibe Nails. Everything will be listed below. Now for the China Glaze, I don't have many, but the ones I do have, if you don't have China Glaze, you can use a Wet n Wild or a Jordana for the yellow or simple colors. But this is what I'm using, so hopefully you got some of these on hand. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay around. I create really nice nail art every week, and they can be for any type of nails, whether you have long or short nails, whether you have square nails or squoval or round nails. This nail art look will look fabulous on anyone who likes really pretty, bright, bold colors or any variation of this. You can modify it to your liking. You don't have to use all of the colors that I use. You know, you can just use like the pink and the orange, or the turquoise and the pink. So we went ahead with a base coat. It's dry, and now I'm using Marshmellow by Simple Colors. You can use any white. This is the one that I could find. I don't have a lot of white polishes. I usually like fast drying polishes because I only use them as like accent colors or base colors for gradients and ombres. So just make sure you cap your free edge. So this is what they look like. I just did one coat. Now we're gonna go over with a liquid latex or latex tape. And this is to protect your skin from the nail polish. You can try to cut down the makeup sponge to the size of your nail, would really help. But I don't have like sharp enough scissors to create that flat edge that it already comes with. So I just use what I have the way it is sometimes. I did dampen the makeup sponge. It really will help in blending out the colors. So my Shaney yellow is starting to dry out, but it hasn't dried out so bad that it needs to be thrown out. So I'm glad I could get some use out of it through this technique. And this technique, as well as ombres, are really perfect for those types of polishes. I'll have to do that and organize my collection. And I think that's a really good idea, to grab those like goopy polishes, but they're not like, you know, garbage that you can't do anything with it, and just keep them only for gradients, because I wouldn't be able to use this yellow for a full coverage. It would be really difficult. Some of the Shaneys that I have are still in good condition. I can't get to my polishes quick enough. I don't switch out my nail art fast enough, and I'm one who was able to stretch out my manicures for an unusually long time, but doing videos for you guys really helps me to get to my collections of what I have and use them. So I'm really grateful to have opportunities to create nail art videos for you, because like I don't think I have that much. My mom would disagree, but you know, whatever I do have is being used. That is beautiful right there. All the lines are blurred, and that is the goal that you want to achieve. I'm just gonna go ahead and do one more. So this is what they look like, super vibrant. And if you can compare them to my left hand, which is already stamped. The yellow is not as like bright, and that's okay too. But I would have just loved to stop right here and just call it a day. Comment below what you think about these colors. Are really beautiful, pretty much the whole rainbow. And if you think that it would be okay to make a video where I'm just strictly polishing my nails, it might be a one solid color or two, or a combination, but you know, you press play and then there's no nail art, but they would look nice, that's for sure. So this is Super Intense by Queen. I don't have a lot of Queen polishes or products. I don't have like, I'm not, you know, I do want to be more like brand oriented, so instead of just having across the board a variety of things, but it's not too bad having a mixed collection of different brands. I just like to see how things work. So that stamped really nicely. Now the second stamp will be giving me a hard time, and you'll see by all the smears on my paper how many times I've tried. I left the stamping bottle open when I was done with my left hand. I left somewhere and I came back and I realized that it was not screwed on all the way. So yeah, I found out that I have to be very generous and I have to be a little bit quicker with the application part. So we had a reverse on the middle nail. I think randomly placing the designs would be so much more fun, but I definitely wanted that flower at the base, and then hence the placement of the crystals came afterwards. This is like my 10th time recording this audio, so don't mind any mistakes because I am ready to move on with the day. Alright, so I found out rubbing the stamper head onto the nail makes the stamp secured, and I haven't realized that until now. I don't know why. Like, I've seen other people do it, but never really realized why, and now I know that it's to secure the stamp. It's just like one of those like simple things, like, oh well, how is it that I don't know that yet? Kind of things. Don't forget to like this video if you like what you see so far. It's a very beautiful, colorful, and warm nail look to wear for your nails. As you can see, they are wearing very beautifully on mine. So I'm going to use a gel top coat to secure the crystals, which is only optional. I pick up crystals almost every time I go out, so I just have these laying around, and the turquoise shows up a lot better on this hand versus my other one, but still I want the turquoise to be seen from a further distance. Like from the distance, it's more purple than turquoise on my left hand. The crystals allow to bring out that color. So, and there is a purpose for the crystals, but to say that that's not required. And cure for 10 seconds twice my sun LED UV lamp. we're gonna go around and coat, and basically we're just reactivating the placement of the crystals. And if you can hear the wind outside, yeah, it's really cold, so I'm craving some warm, colorful, tropical type of nail art, summery or late spring. And voila, this is what they look like. Yeah, so super detailed up close. And check the fade out. I really like the middle nail and the pinky nail. I didn't think just one pink solid color over the entire nail would be so pretty. Thank you so much for everyone watching. I'm also on Instagram at the Bombshell Nails. Yeah. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share. I will see everyone next week. Bye for now.